Here at Chalet, we offer a comprehensive maintenance service, and we take care of everything from the lawn to the perennials, shrubs, and even the trees. What we care about most is the quality of the soil. Our maintenance program starts with the lawn care. We got an organic fertilizer approach that really builds up the microbes in the lawn, improving the soil profile. The crew comes in, mows the lawn. That's the easy part. What they then do is all the detail work in the shrubs, in the plant beds, the perennials, and the ground covers. We cater to each property to make sure that each property shines the way it needs to. Something that is really rewarding is getting to know the client.
When I first visit a client's house, what I like to do is meet them at their property, find out what they love to do on their property. Do they like to spend a lot of time outside? Do they have favorite flowers? Do they have favorite colors? I really believe that having a relationship with our chalet clients is the most important thing. I love our landscape maintenance crews. I have never been so happy working with a group of people.
Our landscape crews are great. They wake up every morning, put on the chalet uniform, and they're ready to jump in the truck and come out and take care of your property. A lot of these guys have been working for us for a long time and have cared for landscapes for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. They take a lot of pride in how a landscape looks after they walk away each week.